Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you two ways you can add map on DukaShops when posting your product. Please watch this video very well. Click on the select location on DukaShops, zoom in and zoom out to find your state. Keep zooming until you find your business name or your address. Click on the location you want to use. Click anywhere outside the map. The latitude and the longitude will be added automatically. Another way is to open a new tab and search Google Map. Click on Google Map to open. Search for your business name, for example, Yasiga ICT Hub. Click the name on the map. The first one is the latitude. Copy and paste without the comma. The second one is the longitude. Copy and paste without the comma. That's it. Congratulations, you now know how to add map on DukaShops.